Good evening. Myself, I'm Dr.M innovator from DTCH. I'm here to have a session on case study based RL by my beloved students. Before getting into the session, I just want to give them a short intro.
Hello, I'm Sudhantu from 3rd CSE and I'm studying in SNS College of Technology.
And I'm Taresh from 3rd CSEC. I'm from SNS College of Technology.
And I am Rajguru from SNS College of Technology, 3rd year CSEC.
I am Ratna from KG, SNS College of Technology.
Hi, I'm going to talk about the reinforcement learning, which is also known as RL. So, the RL is a branch of machine learning where an agent can learn and update the model by performing the action and getting rewards in the form of penalties or the points. So there are six core components of RL. So six components are agent, everything that runs. So environment, the agent where the actions can be performed. State, the current state of the agent. Action, the choices are available to the agent. So policy, the current policies which will be the agent can perform or can be performed or not cannot be performed by the environment. Last one is reward. The penalties or points which will be given to the agent according to the outcome of the task or the actions.
Hi, I am Prathna. I am talking about the working principle of the RL. Basically, start from the one platform that analyze the environment of the platform. For example, we are taking about the platform, we recommended the code. The platform is the environment. The recommended system is the state. First we have talked about the state and the agent. The agent, for example, we already talked the recommended system is the agent. There are two the possible way, state and return reward. State will be the action doing in a platform. The recommended action will be the action. Action will take the right or wrong will be the reward. The reward will be the given by an agent. If it is positive, the agent will be give the 5 extra point. If it will be negative, it will give the negative point. That will be the reward point. Then we calculate and we until the right optimal solution, the process will again and again, and the agent will be optimize themselves to increase the positive value of the agent. It will recommend the higher priority of the analyze the user and give a positive recommendation.
So I'm going to speak about the implementation of the reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is not just about theory. It is about building step by step using algorithm and code. So the basic and commonly used algorithm in the implementation of reinforcement learning is the Q learning. There are totally 5 steps involved in the implementing of the reinforced algorithm using Q learning. The first is defining the process. The second step is initializing Q values to store the values. The third process is training the agent. The fourth process is update rule, where the Q values are updated using a mathematical formula. And the last final step is exploration versus exploitation of new actions and good actions. Thank you.
Here, I'll discuss about the applications of reinforcement learning. The major application of the reinforcement learning is that it is used in game environments. In the game environments, for example, let's consider a chess game. In a chess game, the agent can perform a better move or a blunder move. There are two possibilities, or there are another possibility where it can be partially correct. So, based on the movement of the agent, our RL system would be giving a reward. Based on that reward, the agent would improve their action. It's how the reinforcement learning works, and it is majorly used in chess games and everywhere, where agents would be learning from their wrong occurrences and all those, and it would be getting trained on all of the actions. That's how it works. and it is also used in recommendation systems. For example, in online shopping platforms like Amazon or Flipkart, it would be recommending a list of products to us based on our previous search result and previous order and rewards everything. How it recommends is that based using the RL environment only, it is recommending based on that. Agent would be recommending a product, and based on the result, we will be rewarding the agent. That's how RL system works over there. And it is also used in robotics. In robotics, how it works is like based on the better actions of robot, the correct actions of robot, our system will be rewarding to the agent. That's how in robotics it works. And it is also used in autonomous vehicles as well. Autonomous vehicles is a crucial environment where wrong entries would happen by the AI. Like instead of left, it would take right. Those issues can occur. Based on the penalties the reinforcement learning gives, it corrects itself. That's how the RL system works. And that's all. In summary, reinforcement learning is an inevitable factor in machine learning nowadays. According to the generation shift of agents, it started learning by itself. So reinforcement learning is a key factor to make agent to learn by itself, adapting to their environments. That's how it works.
So, thank my dear students for sharing your views on that. So, thank you all. And if you have any queries, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you.